In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Outlook profile. If you're dealing with sync problems, random crashes, constant password prompts, or messages stuck in your outbox, creating a fresh profile is one of the most reliable fixes. Think of an Outlook profile as a clean container for your accounts, settings, and data connections. Starting fresh often clears out hidden corruption and misconfigurations without touching your server-stored mail. Begin by closing Outlook completely. Save any drafts, then make sure it's not running in the background. On Windows, open the Control Panel. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar on your taskbar and type Control Panel, then open it. In Control Panel, set the view to small icons if needed and select Mail, which might appear as Mail, Microsoft Outlook, or Mail 32-bit, depending on your version. In the Mail Setup window, click Show Profiles. Here you'll see any profiles currently on your computer. Click Add to create a new one. Give the profile a short, clear name so you can recognize it later. After that, the Account Setup wizard will open. Choose your account type and follow the prompts to sign in. If your organization uses Microsoft 365 or Exchange, the setup usually detects settings automatically. You might be asked to authenticate or confirm security prompts. That's normal. Let Outlook complete the setup and connect to your mailbox. When account setup finishes, you'll return to the Profiles window. For testing, it's smart to select Prompt for a profile to be used so you can choose between the new and old profiles at startup. Once you confirm the new profile works, you can switch to Always use this profile and pick the new one as the default. Now, open Outlook. Using the new profile. The first launch may take a few minutes while Outlook initializes and starts syncing your mail, calendar, and contacts. That's expected. Watch for the issues you were seeing before. Messages should start sending and receiving normally, and password prompts should calm down. If you use multiple accounts, signatures, or rules, remember these are profile-specific, so you may need to set them up again. If you previously used local data files, add them from account settings so you can access old archives. After you're confident everything is working smoothly, you can return to the Show Profiles window and remove the old profile if you no longer need it. Be aware this removes local settings and cached copies, but it doesn't delete mail stored on your mail server. That's it. A clean Outlook profile is a quick, safe way to resolve many stubborn issues and get you back to work with a stable mailbox.